Umholi waleli qembu Hanif Hendricks uthi azikho izinguquko esezibe khona komasipala abaholwa yi-ANC kanye ne-DA. Uthi iqembu lakhe lizoqinisekisa ukuthi wonke umuntu usebenzisa i-internet mahala.
By denying the young people of South Africa free internet and free data, it is as bad as apartheid. We can't have apartheid after 27 years of democratic rule.
Uthi leli qembu lizoqinisekisa ukuthi kubekwa izidingo zabantu phambili eindaweni lapho lihola ngokubambisana namanye amaqembu khona. Uphinde wathi Al-Jamaa izomangaza abaningi kulolu khetho.
We have the best aspirant council contesting the November 1st elections, and we're going to surprise South Africa. We're going to have councillors that will have the balance of power in 6 municipalities. And when the DA or the ANC and the EFF tells us, please give our seats so that we can have the majority, we will tell them, yes, get our seats, but give us the mayoral chain.
Kusenjalo umholi we-Good Party uPatricia de Lille ubengena imizi ngemizi ePitoli namhlanje ekhankasela ukhetho ephelezela ogaqele sobumeya kuleli qembu eTshwane uSarah Mabotsa. Ugxeke ingqwembe ebeyifakwe iDA ePhoenix wathi kucacile ukuthi abaholi bayo sebebuyelwe ingqondo ngokususa le ingqwembe athi beyigqugquzela ubuhlanga.
It's absolutely disgusting. You know, that is now really below the belt politics. You cannot play politics with racism. You cannot play politics when more than 30 people have died. It shows you how insensitive the DA is.